Hey guys, Simon here. Welcome back to the channel. Just doing another withdrawal video really quick of my Warrior Plus earnings. It's just getting better and better. It's getting more consistent, and people who are using the funnel that Mark Hayden and I have created are getting results, which is great. And things are just really starting to get fun. Like, we're actually getting momentum, and the best thing is that we're actually seeing affiliates make money, which is priority number one. I used to hate trying to get people into deals and then them not make money. Always made me feel kind of crappy as a person. So things are much better now, so I'm just going to go ahead and withdraw this. This is pretty cool. So let's see. All I'm going to do is just do 1 5 6 7 50, and that looks about right. So I'm just going to do that. It's going to go to the credit union account, and there we go. All done. Pretty cool. So this video is really short, and but I just wanted to do it really quick. So yeah, that's it.